Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel that you are seeing in front of me OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and now I can show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so just find to download it and find to install it. Then after installation of this launcher, we need to launch it, and I'll show you it right now. It's very easy, trust me. Click agree and continue, and here choose your favorite apps. And cool, so why this launcher is great? Because it's lightweight, it has size only 5 megabytes, it's incredible. Here you need to set your favorite apps, and here you have alphabetical line to find any applications. For example, if you want to find the Play Store, just drag it to P, and here you will see the Play Store. Okay, great. So it's really great minimalistic launcher. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Cool. Download it, wait a while, and launch. Launch launcher. Cool. Click get started. I agree, confirm, continue while using the app. Allow, confirm. Here we can pay for Prime, but you can use it completely for free without premium features. So you can use this launcher without ads of updating to premium. So it's really great launcher to use it for free. But if you wanna support developers of this launcher, so you can pay, but you don't need. Okay, cool. On the main menu, you have great apps grouping features. You have several groups, and all applications, as you can see, are grouping automatically. I have now grouped it. You can check it because I have installed it 1 minute ago. Okay, cool. Here you have really minimalistic interface, flexible settings, and here we have killer feature of this launcher. It's the Wallpaper Gallery. It's updating every day, and wallpapers here are incredible. They are beautiful. They are best of the best. I don't know why, but these wallpapers are the best wallpapers ever. So you don't need to search internet to find wallpaper for today or for this week or for your emotional emotional damage. So sorry why I making memes. So cool. And here, as you can see, we can step any wallpapers. You can use it. It's really great. They are really great and cool. But on the first place in my top is another launcher, maybe not too beautiful, because this launcher is beautiful only with Samsung devices, because Microsoft is collaborating with the Samsung, and when you're installing Microsoft launcher on Samsung device, it looks like normal Samsung device, but it has all features from Microsoft launcher. So why I like this launcher? Because it's great, because it's the best launcher to boost your productivity. I'll show you why. Because here you have everything. You have a glance panel on the left side of your device. Here you can locate all your widgets, and you don't need to swipe between calendar and home screens to find your desired widget. Here is the second rows of favorite apps. Here you have main menu with alphabetical line, with normal traditional search, with voice search, and with hidden apps feature. Oh my gosh. And the best feature of this launcher is gestures. For example, I wanna using the double tap, open calculator or calendar, for example, of course. And now when I will tap on my home screen twice, I will open the calendar. It's really great. It's a game changer. Of course, it's very old tool, very old feature, but I know if you will try it, you will like it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you are using one of this launcher or the other one. Write about this in comments. We will read it and we will try to answer it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.